Hello students, this is Rosie and I am here to tell you about different kind of peripheral devices. Peripheral devices is any kind of devices which is attached with a computer system to enhance its capability or its working speed. Basically all kind of input and output device like your keyboard, mouse, printer, scanners, all these are considered as your peripheral devices. As we all aware about these kind of peripheral devices and the different kind of uses of these devices. In this topic we will learn about some more different kind of peripheral devices. My first device is biometric devices. Biometric, as name indicate, it is used to identify verification of a living person based on their physical characteristics like their face expressions, fingerprints, voice recognition, their eye retina, all these. All these are considered in your biometric system. Uh, if a biometric system is to identify a person, if we want to identify a person biometric, then it first must have a sample of that particular person. After that, the relevant physical characteristic will be matched to the sample characteristics, and after that it will execute the task. Now second one is your OMR, that is your optical mark reader. As you all aware about these kind of sheet that is available in your exam sheets or different kind of form filling. This particular sheet is called your optical mark, and this kind of sheet is whenever read by your device, that particular device is called your optical mark reader. As you know, OMR detect the presence or absence of a mark in a specific position. In these circles, we mark a particular circle, and after that it will identified by the optical mark reader. Mark are made in specific boxes using a pencil, ballpoint pen, etc. Now next device is your MICR, magnetic ink character reader. MICR machine read the special characters printed on a check in a standard font using an ink containing iron oxide. When we see any kind of check, at the bottom of the check there are different kind of symbols from 0 to 9 digits, and after that 3 or 4 kind of different symbols. These particular symbols are called magnetic ink character, and these characters are read by device magnetic ink character reader. Number printed with this type of ink cannot be altered or modified by any other ink. It will be altered only by the ink containing iron oxide. Normally in a check, the check number, branch name, the account number and the print, all these information are printed using the MICR form. In the next image, we will see an image of MICR device that is showing here on the right hand side, and in that device a check is inserted. You can see the image of a check on the left hand side, and at the bottom of the check you can see the digits 0, 6, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That after that symbols, then 0, 0, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After that again symbol and then number. It means it is only consist of 10 numbers 0 to 9, and after that 4 different kind of symbols. It is a combination, this information is the combination of all these things, 0 to 9 numbers and then 4 different kind of symbols. Now next device is your magnetic strip card reader. The data is permanently stored on a magnetic strip. This strip may include your name, signature or any other confidential information. To read the data, the card is swiped through a magnetic card unit, which is known as like ATM machine, credit card machine, swiping machine, all these. And magnetic strip card reader devices are your ATM, credit cards, all these things. Now next one is your smart card reader. Smart card reader are intelligent cards which have inbuilt electronics and memory storage. Memory storage means we can store some confidential information on this, like our name, address, blood group, anything, any detail could be there on a smart card reader. Now next one is your LCD, that is your liquid crystal display projectors. LCDs are used when we want to display our content, our result on a big screen. This is useful when we want to deliver our content to a large audience, like your corporate presentations, multimedia educational programs. That all these things will require a LCD monitor. It is used in the place of a normal monitor.